It's typical Transport UK, LT707. It's been in Waterloo Station now for ages, and it's having issues with the ramp. That is poor maintenance. What is this driver now doing? It's typical Transport UK. Believe they don't maintain the buses very well. They just don't care, to be honest. So the driver's on the phone to the controller, the garage. It's poor maintenance at Transport UK's garage. LTZ 1707. I was due to be on the road 68 head to Houston, but it's going to be sub off and go back to the garage, likely because of the ramp issue.